I really think it's just a descent. Wait, no, the turbulence. Yeah, it's just the turbulence that makes us feel weird. Okay, yes, that's a really short flight. I really didn't expect this to be that short. I can see the cars. They don't look like freaking molecules. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, we got. Okay, yep. There's dropping. It doesn't feel that bad. Thank God. It doesn't feel that bad. We got the flaps out. Okay. Oh, I did not like that feeling. Oh, that's scary. That's a scary feeling. Oh yes, we're almost here. Okay, this is not feeling that bad. Okay, feeling better now. Okay. Yeah, feeling better now. Yes, feeling better. Oh, I do not like that feeling. This is why I don't get on roller coasters. Okay, so now I officially think I'm scared of flying now. But I think it's just a turbulence, and hopefully next time, oh, I don't like that drop feeling. Hopefully next time we're on a plane, there will be no turbulence. It will just be smooth air, no turbulent air. Oh, wow, we dipped that wing. Okay. We're landing now.
Wow, have you been over there?
Oh.
Sure you have.
Such a scary feeling. UPS 767. Oh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Touchdown. And you did it.
Yes. Oh, I did not like that feeling of the turbulence hitting the plane. How do pilots do this all the time? Oh my God. I really think it was just the turbulence that was making it feel weird.
You're on the ground now, boy.
Yeah, I know. I think it was just the turbulence that made it weird.
Welcome to Las Vegas. You can certainly use your phones now. Cellular functions turned back on.
Oh, that was such a weird feeling.
Once your captain's parked and turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, do you use caution?
I just could not feel that descent. That was such a weird feeling. We're in Vegas.
We're making connections here.
We're here.
On your gate and flight departure time by checking the TV monitors located throughout the concourse. They'll have the most up-to-date information for you. This is the termination of this plate number. To ensure that you have all of your belongings back with you. Certainly was our pleasure to have you on board today. Welcome to Las Vegas.
I can't imagine what I can't imagine what severe turbulence feels like. Oh my God. I really couldn't feel the descent. It was just the turbulence that really screwed it up. Oh my God. We are here in Vegas now. Yes. Oh, that was scary. That was scary. That was scary. I seriously see why people have a fear of flying. But I'm not scared. But I'm scared of turbulence, so. Yep, I have officially developed a fear of turbulence. Extreme fear. Because the feeling, I just don't like the feeling. Okay. We're here. There's Allegiant Airlines A320-200 with the winglets landing. It's an A330. Oh my God, that's an A330. Oh, I haven't seen a Delta A330 in a long time. Oh, that is such a weird thing.
No, it's all for, yeah, she has lots of all the different cancers and stuff like that. So, I don't know. It's all for childhood cancer. spend the night here. We're gonna go fancy. I like it.
Just now?
I was having a last year.
Mom needs her phone.
I can't sleep that time.
No, I'm waiting for the next one.
Yeah. I woke up and had like. That's scary. It was I crossed my legs and I crossed my legs and I was like,
I have never been wanted to be on the ground that much in my entire life. I didn't know that my first time flying would make me want to be on the ground so bad. I never thought I would want to be on the ground so bad. I thought I would want to stay in the air for a bit more, but nope. When it comes to turbulence, no, never again. Will I ever fly with turbulence? But turbulence is unpredictable, so. Oh, that was kind of scary. It's not even the fact that I'm in a plane. It's just the feeling of the turbulence. I don't like it. But we're here in Vegas. Time to go have some fun. That was the worst feeling I've ever had in my life. Okay. Oh, I don't like turbulence. I do not like turbulence. This flight was just over in a heartbeat. That was fast. Seriously, right when I thought we were leveled out, descending. Our turbulent descent. Oh my god. Okay, hopefully the flight back home on Wednesday will not be as turbulent as this. I do not like the turbulence. I was having a mini panic attack. Oh my god.
I'm doing that.
And ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who chose to ask for wheelchair assistance here, just stay seated. They're on their way. Thank you.
Chris.
I promise.
Oh, I never thought I would want to be on the ground. I never thought I would want to be on the ground. Oh, that was scary. Oh. And next time I'm checking when there's turbulence.
Oh no, that's the flight.
Okay, so if there's turbulence on the way back, I'ma just try not to have a mini panic attack. Oh my god.
It's gate C8.
Like, it quite literally felt like a roller coaster. Not as bad as a roller coaster, but still it felt like a roller coaster. What was that, the APU? Still, nonetheless, that was pretty fun. That was fun. Even though it scared the living crap out of me, that was fun. Nothing will stop me from having fun on a plane. It's just the feeling. It was terrifying. It's a terrifying feeling. Oh my god. Yes, everybody loves snacks. Give me some snacks. I need some chips after this.
Snapchat and just pictures in like a dark room. That was really cool. On the screen. I did it. Good work, good work.
Here's that guy right there. That guy right there.
A lot of them too work right there.
No, 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 no.
I still have the peanut ones that you gave out.
Why does it have message?
I can, and I keep it in. So that's your double? Yes.
For it, yes.
On the way back, I'll. Yeah, I already said it, but I just can't stop saying it because I'm calming down. Just talking about this kind of calms me down. I never thought I would say I've had enough flying for now.
I'm not stood in the middle. I do. That what? I'm sorry. She just like